Welcome to a week in the life as cabin crew. I made sure to pick an interesting week to film this, so not every week looks like this is cabin crew. This week I've got 2 short-haul flights and a trip to Florida, which I am currently in.
I made eggs for breakfast. It's like 3 in the morning. No matter what, I always have to have breakfast before I go to work.
Good morning from the staff car park. I've got a wee flight today to Reus. Yeah, today is a nice short Reus. I've got a lovely crew on today, so I am buzzing to catch up with everyone. 5 in the morning, so it's really weird actually. I'm normally here in the car park before the sun rises. This feels weird to be here for an early morning when the sun's up. It's very bright. For your first early, you're normally quite tired, so I'm quite tired today, so I'm excited to go and grab a wee coffee. I'm just gonna go head in just now, go start my day. I have been a flight attendant with TUI for about 5 years now. First started the job in February of 2020, which as you can imagine wasn't the best job to start right before COVID. That's why I count my experience as 5 years. So today's flight was to Reus, which is in Spain, and we had a flight time of 2 hours and 20 minutes. And the flight time on the way back was pretty much the exact same. And for my airline, that is one of the fastest flights you can do. For us, it feels like the plane takes off and then all of a sudden we're landing again. That's me just back to the car now. I passed 2 in the afternoon, so I'm going to make my drive home. Got another early morning tomorrow, so we'll be up early. early again. I'm still feeling alright after today. Not as tired as I thought I would be. But yeah, I need to pack for Florida tonight, and then I'm going to Paris next week. So I think I'm going to do like a separate vlog for Paris, and hopefully I still have energy by the time I get home to pack my case. I was working with a lovely crew today. I feel like at most flights you have a great crew anyway. Not really an issue at my base. All just kind of friends with each other, which is great. Okay, I'm home. Got Pepsi Max. I'm hoping to pack everything I need. I'm already a bit tired, so I'm scared I'm going to forget something. I'm going to pack and then shower and then bed. Just looking at my fits and I feel like this is one of them. I think she's cute. Good morning. Well, I'm definitely tired this morning. I was gonna film a little get ready with me this morning, but I was so tired I actually just forgot. My cat was all cuddled into me as well. I didn't want to get out of bed. She ended up making me stay in bed just a little bit longer than I was meant to. This is normally what it's like early morning rather than yesterday where we had a bit of sunlight. This is more what I'm used to. I can see the sun starting to come up in the distance. We get the staff bus in and go to work. How much sleep did I get last night, I hear you ask? Surely if I'm waking up at 2 AM to go to work, it's not that much sleep, right? But no, I actually normally sleep pretty good for an early morning. So I think I got about 6 hours sleep last night. Which I know how many hours a good sleep is to every person is different, but that's pretty good going, or for me anyway. So today's flight time was pretty similar from yesterday, being 2 hours and 18 minutes, and another lovely day out to Spain for 5 minutes of sunshine. I'm home from work, gonna have dinner, shower, get ready for bed, and get ready for work for tomorrow. That's my evening plans. Way to go shower now. Another day I'm ready for work. Different hairstyle today because we're going on a trip, so I wanted to wash my hair so that it was nice for going away. So we're going to Florida today. I'm very excited. Got my Disney ears packed. I haven't worn them since literally last summer, so I'm very excited to put them on again. I'm really early today actually. I thought the traffic was going to be a lot worse than it was. I'm trying to decide whether or not to go in and get coffee or not. I haven't been on this aircraft, the Dreamliner, which is the Boeing 787, since last year. So a little bit rusty on this service. I'm sure it'll all come back to me. You know, you just get nervous when you haven't done something in a long time. Before I leave, I don't even remember if I mentioned, it was Ariana dropped her new song today and I was listening to it on the way to work. We're being blessed. I'm so excited for this album to come out. Today's office views consisted of a crisp, clear view of New York City. The flight deck very nicely pointed out to us as we were flying over, which isn't something that you see every day. So it was really cool to see Central Park from the sky. I've made it to the hotel. Let me get some lights on in here. There we go. So we balcony tour. I love having a balcony. This door's really heavy. Oh, there we go. Oh yeah. Ah, beautiful. We have made it to Florida and I have picked up a massive Bath & Body Works parcel, so I will unbox that with you. I'll give you a haul. One of the best feelings is taking your hair out at the end of the day. I go for a quick shower and touch up, get ready again, because me and the crew are going to go shopping before we're headed for dinner because it's like 3 in the afternoon. Okay, I'm ready to head out, so I'm just going to show you a couple of bits that I got from Bath & Body Works. A selection of candles. Them are Book Loft. I really like that smell. A couple wee gift sets just to take home for like presents and stuff. I got one of these wee things for my car actually. How cute is this? It's like a car vent holder. Just a couple wee bits and bobs. I'm going to the big Target first, so go get my sauces and stuff. Realised when I got here I forgot to bring my adapter for the States, so I can't use any of my hot tools to touch up my hair or anything. But yeah, today's flight was good. Had a good flight. We had loads of really cute wee kiddies on board today. They're excited to go to Disney. I just love doing these flights because everyone's just so happy on them. I had so many compliments on these today. And passengers asked me like where they could buy them. The airport staff in Florida were also commenting on them. I just think because they're like Ariel ears, they match my red hair. I'm gonna browse in the Sephora looking at wee bits and bobs that I don't really need. I thought this wee gift set was quite cute actually. Popped into Dollar Tree to pick up some electrolytes. I don't have the flavour I normally get. I normally get lime and there's like a strawberry one, but I'll try orange creamsicle and I'm gonna try some random sauce. They've also got the Taco Bell mild in here. The sweets in here are also so much cheaper than in Target for the wee gummies and stuff, so I don't know, I might get these ones to try. I've never seen the Sour Patch Grape before. Nerds gummy clusters, some of the taffy, that's fun, Airheads. These look really good as well, kiwi slices. Even better, I found a grape one, so we'll be getting 2 of those. I've been around the whole Target and all I've picked up is a shave oil and a deodorant. We went shopping and went out for dinner and it is now 10 PM US time, so that makes it 3 in the morning UK time. My eyes are burning. I'm really very tired. I struggled to make it through dinner because we ended up eating it quite late. You can probably see it in my face, my eyes are so sunken in. Good night. I had a really big sleep. Woke up to the crew group chat, messaging like 2 hours ago that they were down at breakfast. But I told them last night I wasn't coming down for breakfast. I'm just gonna go down, get a coffee and something from the wee coffee shop, eat it on my balcony and just have a chill morning. Let's go get a coffee. I got a little McMuffin and my coffee. This is where you will find me all afternoon. I don't know about anyone else. This is my favourite part of any trip. I don't know what it is, but I love sitting on a balcony. I just love it. Like, this is where I feel really grateful for my job. I forgot to do a haul myself. I got the Tree Hut oils because they're my favourite. I got myself some dill pickle ranch. I'm excited to try that. I got myself a hand sanitizer from Bath & Body Works. My mum always sends me to Bath & Body Works for a million different things. Far too much shopping as per, but every time I'm in the States I can't help myself but shop, so I'm just trying to pack my case now. Here's the aftermath of me getting ready, so I just need to pop all this away. Yeah, that's me ready. I just checked my phone there to one of the videos I posted on YouTube and somebody commented that I looked like Ariana Grande and I think I have the biggest head ever. I'm ready like 10 minutes, 15 minutes early, so I'm gonna finish packing up and set my phone for a wee bit before heading down. That is me. Just finished my flight. I've just started taking my hair out. Gonna go for a shower and get ready for bed. Flight was fine. Passengers were actually really lovely. I think tomorrow I'll just get some room service and Then we've got a taxi back up the road, and then that's the end of this duty.